On this segment of the Montana Barn Find, we unearth a 58 Chevy Impala that has been hidden away for nearly 5 decades.
So a friend of mine told me about this car. They've known the family forever. And it's been sitting here, well, they said 40 years. So I don't know how long that really, from 75 till now. And when I saw it, I mean, the body is incredible. The gaps, they're perfect. The car's never been taken apart. I haven't opened the hood yet because they had a bunch of boxes stacked here, but they moved them. So
Let's see what it looks like.
this is going to be it.
Looks like mice have got
Oh
in
my
it.
God.
There's a little 283 two-barrel.
Yeah. And I guess I thought, nope, this would have been, it didn't have the different thing.
Flags.
So
Power steering and brakes, right? That's
it
cool.
does turn over. So he said that it had a transmission issue.
Yeah, 900 paint, so that is factory black. Easy eye and crash pad. Janesville.
But if you look at it, this car is so straight. But it's all factory.
Yeah, I love the tritone interior in these.
Isn't that funny?
Oh, it smells like mice.
Huh?
It smells like mice.
That's a bathroom bathroom car.
Needs a bath. Poor thing.
Dual antennas. That's typical 58 stuff, right?
And here's the little dings right here. One right there
Just on the trim.
and one right over there. That's it. Look at how much dirt is on this thing. You can't replicate this, guys. This is a real barn find. And the tires are very young.
If you dig our channel, be sure to smash that like button. Or better yet, hit subscribe to follow our adventures on the Montana Barn Find.